Allow me to demonstrate how you can save your development team's precious time by simplifying your code build and deployment process with CI/CD, like we do with the sample website. You will also see how you can get logs to trigger alerts and much more. While this demo works on GCP, you can also have it work on other platforms such as AWS or Azure. Even though this particular demo is for a basic web application, it also works for more complicated applications, including mobile apps on Android and Apple. You will see how you can change configuration variables such as memory size or number of CPUs by modifying a text file. You can get an email or text message on urgent errors. You can also see these errors on a dashboard for less urgent warnings. You can see details about the error. To update a process dependent on multiple repositories, all you have to do is change the code and push it to the repository. This will trigger the CI/CD pipeline where your code is built, tested, and deployed. If this sounds like a good idea for your team, contact me at the link below. Let me walk you through a demo. We have 3 repositories for this demo: a database, frontend, and Terraform. Database is the backend, Kidspack is the frontend, and Terraform for the infrastructure. While the CI/CD's pipeline is run, it creates artifacts in the artifact registry. These artifacts run on cloud services and are set up in Terraform. The current memory and CPU limit can be changed by changing variables here and applying Terraform. So now the capacity has been updated. You can also change other variables such as the port, image, and the maximum instances. Now let's add 2 options here by changing the code and committing and pushing code. This is now in the code repository, which is merged. This triggers a new build. We see the process logs here. This is a 4-step build process. We run Docker build, then we run a test case. We push the Docker image to the image repository. Once the build is complete, the image will be here. In a few minutes, a new revision is created. We log out and log back in. The code has been updated because we see the leaderboard and profile. Let's see if the login created an alert by refreshing this page. This also shows up in email. Details are available, including links. This is the tip of an iceberg. There's much more that can be done to improve the efficiency of your development team. To learn more, please contact me with a question or set up an appointment at one of the links below.